talented cast we have bilang Maria, nandito si Aya Sarmiento. Aya Sarmiento, where she is?
Ay, wala siya.
Bilang pagpapatuloy nandito, aba, isa sa mga makasaysayan original comedian, nandito ang nag-isang Inday Garutay! As performing as herself yan. Welcome mga Inday. Inday Garutay, of course. And now let's welcome another fresh new face in the industry, making her very first film appearance as Eunice in Best Friends in Tandem. Ladies and gentlemen, the upcoming star on the rise, we have Casey Manai. And, grabe Casey, this is your debut lang dahil birthday din ni Casey! Meron pa tayong music ng birthday so kay Casey? Wala. Kanta natin si Casey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Dahil dyan, bibigyan kita ng kabayo. Ayan, Casey, congratulations. At kasama rin natin bilang gumanap bilang Mia, nandito si Hannah Ortiz. Wala si Hannah. Joining us also the powerful cast of Best Friends in Tandem. Kasama natin bilang Lolo Ino, the one and the only Rolando Inocencio. Hey, Lolo Inocencio. And finally, portraying the unforgettable characters, lighting up the screen with every scene and leaving this film with power and grace. Let us give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, on her film debut in Best Friends in Tandem, gumanap bilang Denden, an actor we are truly proud to introduce sa gabing ito, ang nag-iisang Clave Song! Kuya Denden, congratulations Kuya Denden! At tuloy-tuloy pa rin natin kilalanin ng mga gumanap ang nagpaiyak din sa atin sa araw na to. Gumanap bilang si Junjun Don Richmond Servito. Congratulations, Kuya Junjun. Let's continue to welcome, of course, the outstanding performance. Aside from being our Mrs. Universe 2025, she is truly an award-winning actress. Proudly represents leading brand as an ambassador of beauty term, Sakura Lounge and Dental Care. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and the only, the Kit Kat as Elaine. Congratulations, Ate Kit Kat. Bilang Ate Elaine, let's welcome again a talented actress and performer. And she was known as the original sex bomb dancer. Now showcasing her versatility on screen, we have the one and the only Topay Bagya Zamora bilang Ate Flor. Congratulations, Ate Topay. Joining us also on stage, a very versatile actor and comedian, loved by so many people, not just only in the Philippines but entire earth, has made his work in television, film, and theater with his memorable roles and undeniable charm. Ang nag-iisa, Pepe and Ana as Joseph. Congratulations, Sir Caperana. Take the center stage on your photo, please. Kasama niyo na kanyang baby, di ba? And of course, this production would not be complete without the vision, the leadership, and the tireless dedication of the team behind the scenes. Once again, let us give a big round of applause to the heart and the mind of Best Friends in Tandem, our director, Direk Franco Arce. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give maybe also invite them also. Let's give a thunderous applause. Palakpakan natin muli ang cast and the director. And right now, let's continue, of course, to acknowledge the cast and the production staff of the Best Friends in Tandem. May we join and may we ask them to please stand up and join the entire cast, lahat po ng mga production staff po natin. Siyempre, hindi naman makukumpleto ang isang pelikula kung wala tayong scriptwriter, wala tayong